No more monkeying around. And no more small TV. I'm just gonna forget about this day and never think about the blue flipper ever again.
We could be anywhere. We could just be flying around in circles.
We'll be okay. Besides the panels, I've been watching the stars. There's the Brightberry Star of the East. It looks like we're headed right where we want to be. Don't cry, don't be blue. We're sailing toward a day that's new. Who knows all the joys in store when you're sailing toward tomorrow? The sun will shine so bright and we'll be guided by the stars at night. They remind us we can dream of more, 'cause we're sailing toward tomorrow. So don't be scared or ill at ease, afraid the sun won't rise. The endless possibilities are as limitless as the sky.
What is that?
The rain will splish and splash, but then clouds will disappear in a flash, and a rainbow will appear from shore to shore, 'cause we're sailing toward, yes, we're sailing toward tomorrow.
A TV show?
The rain will splish and splash, but then clouds will disappear in a flash, and that rainbow's gonna make your spirit soar. 'Cause you'll be sailing toward, 'cause you'll be sailing toward, sailing sweetly toward tomorrow.
Enough! How much can one villain take? But wait. If they can have their own TV shows, so can I.